Happy Friday, special friends! It's Fun Activity Friday. This week we read the book Niko and the Trouble Bubble, and that means we're going to do an activity that's going to be lots of fun. But first, let me welcome you back to Mrs. Ashley's Learning Emporium, where we read, write, learn, and play. And today is all about play. Now we're going to get ready for a fun activity. I'm going to start clearing our table off and see if I can do it this way. I'm even going to move Niko in the Trouble Bubble because I don't want to get my book wet. Now, special friends, I'm going to teach you a couple of things about bubbles. Do you know that bubbles can actually stick to a table that's not water absorbent? But here's the trick. The surface has to be wet, and it doesn't have to be soaking wet, but we need just a little bit. So let's see, I'm going to use this green straw as my bubble wand. Now, if you're sharing with your siblings or your other special friends, make sure to have a parent separate your solution into small bowls or cups. Are you ready to test it out? Is that cool or what? Now you don't have to worry about not being able to play with bubbles when it's cold or rainy outside. Do you want to try another one? I think we should. But we need it to be wet. We need our table or our surface to be wet. Now here's something else you should know about bubbles. Bubbles also like to stick together because they're wet too. And do you know what bubbles are? I just learned this a couple of years ago, special friend. Bubbles are 2 layers of water. Oh, my bubble popped. 2 layers of water with a thin layer of soap in between. There's one. There's 2. Oh, let me try that one again. Do you think we can get 3, special friend? There's 3. What else do you think we could make with our bubbles? I'm gonna pop these. Or I'm gonna try. Oh, you know what? I forgot. My straw is wet and bubbles are okay if a surface is wet. So my straw can go through here. But this straw, actually I'll use a different color. My red straw is dry. Let's see what happens when I try to put my dry straw in the bubbles. Yep, there we go. Let's see if we can make a caterpillar. Niko's caterpillar was green. So we're gonna use our green straw again. So I dip my straw, just one end, into the solution. I have a wet surface here. I think I need some more solution. There's our caterpillar. Does that look like a caterpillar to you? Looks like a caterpillar to me. All right, so let me teach you something else about bubbles. Bubbles are like us. They don't like to be too cold and they don't like to be too hot. You also have to be very gentle when you're blowing your bubbles. Otherwise, they're gonna burst. So let me try one more big bubble, and then I'm gonna show you something else that I hope you think is cool, special friend. Oh, see, I blew too hard, guys. I gotta be gentle. Oh, it was so big. All right, one more try. Oh, all right. Nope, one more try. I have to try one more time, special friends. That's pretty good. Okay, so when we go to the store, I'll put this one over here. When we go to the store, we like to get bubbles and they have bubble wands in them. But do you know a lot of the items you have in your house can be bubble wands too? Maybe if mom and dad give you permission, you can use a spoon from the kitchen. Are you ready to see if we can use this as a bubble wand? You ready? I think that's a pretty cool bubble. What else could we use as a bubble wand? What about a whisk? Do you ever make pancakes and need a whisk? Let's see if we can use this as a bubble wand. I don't think I have enough solution on there. I don't think my whisk is working today. So let me try another way. Do we think we can use the end of the whisk as a bubble wand? I think so. Oh, I see my solution stuck between the two edges. There we go. Will you be creative and find things that you can use as a bubble wand? Awesome. And I'm going to try 2 straws at a time just for fun. Now with the straw, you have to be very careful because with the solution on one end, you want to make sure that you don't suck up that yucky solution. So I'm going to tilt this down a little bit. There we go. You can use straws as a bubble wand. I hope you enjoyed this video, special friends. Tune in next week for a new book on Wednesday and a fun activity on Friday. Have a good day.